Hello dear friend, this is Rakesh here. Once again, you are welcome to Resolve for You. In today's lesson, we will learn how to add text in Kdenlive. This is the for beginner class. Lots of friends ask me, it's a very difficult to very complicated to add text in Kdenlive, but it's a very easy. You have to listen this tutorial till the end. You will be the expert at adding text in Kdenlive. It's a very logical, very easy. Just you have to know, you have to learn, you have to learn the tutorial fast because this is a advanced video editing software. But you can do a lot of things in Kdenlive. Without wasting time, let's jump into Resolve for You. In today's Kdenlive tutorial, we will learn how to add text in Kdenlive. You know, in DaVinci Resolve or Premiere Pro, you can very easily add the text. Some friend asked me how to add text in Kdenlive. They couldn't search actually the window where they can add text. Actually, you have to listen this video till the end, then you will understand how to add the text. It's very easy actually because people don't know how to use this advanced software. They are start just editing themselves. You have to know, learn some tutorial, you have to see some basics. You can very easily add such type of text in Kdenlive titles. For this, you have to come here. You see here, once I highlight here, you see here we have this edit file, edit, view, project, title, clip, timeline. You see, this is actually interface of Kdenlive. You have to come here in the project. Actually, in the project, when you click, you see add clip folder. From here, you can add clip folder, add color clip. Using this color clip, you can make a lots of lower third in Kdenlive. I have some tutorials about this. If you don't know how to make lower third in Kdenlive, you can make a lots of presets, lower third, and very beautiful text effect Kdenlive. See that tutorial in the in our playlist. Here, when you come here, add a template title. You can add from here. We will learn in the next class. Add title clip. You have this is actually from here. You can add text. Here we can add text from here. Just I highlight here. This is actually this project bin, and from here you can add. Once we come here, now we just click here, add title clip. Once you click here, you see our now we have appeared the window here, and here my son here, David, and Devika here in the playground here. And you see this is actually window. From here we know a start process, how we can add the text. We want to this is no once you open this window, you have to come here, and I want to use here to text. For this, you have to come here. You see, anywhere you click, the text property will appear. You see text. Now I want to write Kdenlive tutorial. Kdenlive tutorial. You can directly type from here tutorial, and now once it's okay, now we can make the size bigger. From here I want to write 200. Just write 200. Otherwise you can just click here up and down. It will down, you click, it will decrease. You have to click up. You see, you are increasing it here. If you want more, you can directly type 300. It will be bigger. You see, now Kdenlive is bigger. From here you can drag from anywhere. Just click here and you can drag. You can put here. You see position. Otherwise you can drag from here also too, but I will just take anywhere you can put. If you can put here actually, the best way is to just take the click here, just touch, and you can not drag anywhere. I just want to put here our text, and from here you can actually change font, alpha slab 1. If you want to use font, is your choice. You can Arial, like light Arial you can take, or Arial black you can take. This will be Arial black, and here this valve BD with this you can take this font. We just take this this font, any font. It's actually your choice. Arial black we have taken this. You can change from here outline, like if you make red, in this way you can change the outline. Here gradient, if you want to use gradient, here you can take a gradient, to color. Okay, here it will be red. You can take here this type of. Okay, once okay, it's a gradient. If you take gradient, it will be gradient. You see here gradient. In gradient there are various type. You can change here. If you want take gradient like other, like this very unique color, here add. No, in this way here you can take other color like red effect. Okay, now our gradient will be like in this way. You can make here bigger, smaller. You see, you can add. In the next class we will learn. Just in this way you can add gradient here. You see, in this such type of gradient effect. If you are not satisfied, you can make it like this. Here you can make like this. Yes, same. It appears here actually which type of gradient it will be. In such type of gradient you can use. Once again, if you are not satisfied here, you can like this. If you can like this angle, you can like this. You can change here angle here in this way. In this way you can change the angles. You see in this way. If it's not okay, you can like this. You can just Okay, in this way you can change, you can use gradient actually. If you don't want a solid color, you take this is actually the solid color. And when you come here, you can change the outline from here. You can increase outline here. You see, this is outline. Our outline is red. This outline here, you see, sorry, our outline is black. We can change the outline here. For example, I want this color, so our outline will be like this. So you can, in this way, in Kdenlive, you can add outline to text, and you can decrease outline from here and make less or make bigger here, red. So here, if you have several text, you can, we will learn the next class. Letter spacing you can add from here. Typewriter effect we will learn in the next class. If it's useful, dear friend, please subscribe the channel. It motivates me a lot. In the next class, we learn background pattern. Today we will just use this. So okay, once this is, you are satisfied, this will the size, just create here. You see, create, you have to just click create the title. No, we have created actually here in the project, this preview here actually we have want to drag this to timeline. We listen in the class process, then you will understand how we can drag. You see here now it appears in the project bean. It's not like Premiere Pro on DaVinci Resolve. It's actually easy, it's not sub, it's more logical. You come here, you will have in the project bean, we have several photos here in log. So we have here text, this text we have, you see, Kdenlive tutorial is the same name, it has appeared here. From here I will drag here, we can put anywhere. For example, I put here, we can, in this way you can resize here from bigger, you can wherever you want to put here in this way. If you want to just drag to here in this it will appear here. You see, no, this is actually our Kdenlive tutorial. This has appeared here. If you want to change again, you are not for example, you are for this, if you are not satisfied, you want to decrease or increase the size of the font, you have to come here and double click on the just Kdenlive tutorial, this clips. No, this is the clip, it works like clip in Kdenlive actually, the text. No, we have this text here, and click here and you can change color here. For example, you want this color, okay, and here if you want to white outline, it will be white here. And if you want to resize again, you can resize, make less. In this way you can change and update. You see, everywhere it's updated. And if you want to put separate from here, you separate this color clip, because our this video is on our V2 track. You see here V2 track, and I will click here and put here in the top here. So we have to click. We can save every next time when you don't have to make you have want to make every time a new clips here. You have here clip, you can drag from here and you can change. In this way, once you make the this title clip, it will, you can work in the next time. Just in the project being save here for your coming future project, and in this way you can use. Yes, very beautiful. This video I have taken from Pixel and Pixabay actually, and here you see. And they are talking in Russian and Ukrainian language. So this is actually how you can make your title, add text in Kdenlive. It's not very tough. You have to come project bin and here add title clip, and once you clip here, this is a control shortcut, is a control plus T. Once you remember this shortcut, you use next time just shortcut. You haven't come here. For example, I want to add this. I click on my keyboard, control plus T. You see our this appeared here. This title clip window has appeared. It's a special window for title clip. It's a very advanced in Kdenlive. You can make in this way. In the next class we will learn lots of lower third. I have the class about lower third, how to make lower third in Kdenlive. If you haven't seen our video, just go and see that video in the playlist. You will find every whole the playlist. You will find about this advanced free open source video editing software. It's one of the best video editing software I like. It's advanced, totally free, and there are lots of tons of their effects are available in Kdenlive. You see how many effects, and every effect you see how much, lots of things you can make in Kdenlive. You can make your professional project, lots of professional projects you can make for your clients using Kdenlive. I actually work in DaVinci Resolve and Kdenlive. Both are the good softwares, and both are my favorable. You see in my notebook here, this is a DaVinci Resolve. Here you see Kdenlive. Kdenlive is my first choice. Here you see Kdenlive. It's here in DaVinci Resolve, this two software, and I have tutorial about this two software on our website. You see, and you can use this software at the same time for your project. So in this class we learned how we can add this color text in Kdenlive, text your old video from your mobile or telephone camera, and use and this text strip and try practice. You have to practice, and then you will be expert in Kdenlive. You see in this class we learned how we can make lower third in Kdenlive. Here you see here add text to our thumbnail or any photo. You can add in this you can find this class on our tutorial in the playlist. The whole playlist is there, and you can make such type of talking head video in Kdenlive very easily. You can also see that how to make talking head video, such type of video in Kdenlive. Actually, crop, how can you can make round rectangle size of talking head video in Kdenlive, resize that this in the next class. So you can go through that and learn about dear. Hello dear friend, we have just finished the class. We have applied this title clip, how to add title clip. It means how to add this text to our timeline for dragging from our project being. You can add to your timeline, you can adjust everything in the. We have lots of advanced lower third classes tutorial, how to make lower third in Kdenlive. All are in our playlist. You can see that and apply this to your clips, to add text, and write in the comment box how is your experience. Just share this channel to those friends who are actually in the need of such type of tutorial. Like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe this channel to their friend to motivate me to make more creative video for you. We meet in the next class. Take care. Bye.